Success.
Success. Where from you?
Nigerian.
Nigerian. Okay, you are a student. Apart from schooling, what do you do again?
I used to act comedy and I am proud to be a comedian.
So the comedian, you are a comedian.
Mm?
Can you remember your first act
Yes.
and what was that?
Okay. It's like I'm going to explain all of it. So, starting from my
Make
mom.
it short.
Okay. Like she just asked me to bring egg, and I went to go and turn the egg into roasted egg. So everybody was laughing at me. That
Okay.
was funny.
Okay. So that's where you started
Yes.
your acting. Okay,
Yes.
so you're on TikTok,
Yes.
Facebook,
Yes.
Instagram.
Yes.
Okay.
Even Twitter.
Yeah. Okay. What name do you use?
Successful.